Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dino Kids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. Today's video is on how to improve concentration of kids. Before starting the video, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates on our upcoming videos. So in today's video, we will see how effectively we can improve concentration of our kids easily at home. So for this, I have prepared this worksheet here. As you could see, in this worksheet, I have made some rectangular boxes here, and then I have made some circles here of different colors and used any random pattern. You can choose any shape of your choice. And along with this, I have made some same shape as per the given worksheet, which is circle, and then I have colored them as per the given worksheet. I have also secured them with a transparent tape again so that I can use them multiple times and Amish won't be able to spoil them easily. So like this, you can use as many as circles, or you can make as many as colors you want of the circles as per your worksheets. So for this, you also need a blank worksheet, as you could see here. So what we need to do now is place both the worksheet in front of the child like this, and place the cardboard made circles as well. And then child has to see the pattern on the given worksheet, and he have to create the same pattern on the blank worksheet. So first he will choose yellow color. So he will place the yellow circle as per the given worksheet. So it will come here like this. In the next one, it's green. So he will see where the green will come. So will it come here, here, or here? No, but this will come here in the center. Again, there's an orange color, so he'll pick the orange circle and place it here, and he make a exact same pattern as per the given worksheet. Same way, you can now replace the worksheet and get the new one pattern to follow. So now he has to follow the new pattern here. So in this, the first one is green. So he will choose the green circle and place it as per the given pattern. So it will come here. Then there are two yellow circles. Then he will choose the first yellow circle and place it at its position like this. Then he'll take the next one and place it at its position, and the last one is blue, so he'll pick the blue color circle and place it like this. So now again, this is exact the same pattern which we have given him in the worksheet. So like this, child will follow these worksheets and make the exact same patterns, which enhance his concentration. He has to think about it, that where the exact position on the blank worksheet which will come. So now till now I was showing you the level 1 worksheets. Now these are the level 2 worksheets. So again, we have to replace the blank worksheet here as well, as you could see. So in this worksheet, I have increased the number of rectangular boxes but decreased the size of the rectangular boxes, and I have changed the pattern as well. So now child has to see where the orange color will come. So this will come here. Then the green will come here like this. Then he will pick the yellow one and place at its position. So this will come here. And then there are two blue circles. So he has to place both of them at their position. So like this, he has to make the same pattern. So this really helps the child to enhance their logical thinking and their concentration. So like this, he will do this, and these worksheets are very easy to customize. You can customize as per your child's age group or convenience. As you could see, I have made another worksheet here as well for Amish. So you can make these worksheets as difficult or as easy as per your own choice. So now let's see how Amish is doing this worksheet. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.